Hello friends, welcome to Coding a Box. Today we'll be discussing about an AI model released by DeepMind called AlphaCode. So I'm right now on their blog post, Competitive Programming with AlphaCode. So this is an actual AI model that can solve competitive programming problems. So now why this is a big deal? Because we have seen AI models like GitHub Copilot. What GitHub Copilot does is we give the logic in terms of comments, and the model just replicate the code to follow the instructions which we give. But in competitive programming problems, it need actual human level intelligence. That's what mentioned in this post. The AI actually thinks like a human and solves the problem like humans. And AlphaCode achieves a rank of about 54%. It's better than 54% of all the participants score. Okay, so we can see a graph here at the end. So an average human can solve up to 34% of the problems, and like the top competitive programmers, very few of them can solve like very higher level of questions. But our DeepMind's AlphaCode achieved an accuracy about 54%, which is incredible. So all this testing has been done in a competitive programming platform called Forces, which is very famous. So here we can see an input problem called backspaces. So this is an exact prompt. What is the exact question? What's there in code Forces? It's given as input, and the AI produces a code which is very much human-like in a matter of seconds. And like they have conducted a lot of tests in collaboration with Codeforces, and we can see the statements from founders of Codeforces and some other prominent people in competitive programming. So now if you just want to see the demo, we can go to their URL, alphacode.deepmind.com. By the way, I'll be linking all these websites in the description. So here's a problem statement, and we can just run and see how the AI actually scored this thing. If we just hover over this, then we can see which token is responsible for making that piece of code. And like there are a lot of instructions or parameters which we can see here. We can also choose different algorithms. We can see the algorithms that failed, algorithm that passed, etc. You can do that. And we have the paper here. This is a paper. So if you're into AI machine learning and want to get more technical into it, they have also provided the paper describing technical details of this model. So it's super incredible, and it's a great technology. And DeepMind has said it's just a beginning, and they are working on improving the accuracy. And in the future, um, it will be more accurate and more reliable. So comment your thoughts on this. We'll be back with another topic. See you then.